So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view reported chats on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Messenger, and you should have to tap on menu icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. Now tap on setting icon and again scroll down below and tap on privacy and safety. And you can see the option of reported chats, so tap on it and see I have no reported chats, and from here you will see your own reported chats. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.